Good morning, students. Here, Neela ma'am from Ascam Public School. Today, online classes during lockdown, subject physical education. Students, today I am going to teach you unit number 3, yoga and lifestyle. Today, we are learning about Hastottasana. This is the posture for Hastottasana. This is also one of the asana. Hastottasana is made up of 3 words: Hast, Uttha and Asana. Hasta means arms and Uttana means stretched up and Asana means posture. In this posture, the arms are stretched upwards, so that is why it is called Hastottasana. Hastottasana consists of 2 words. Hasta means arms and Uttana means stretched up. In this posture, here arms are stretched upward, followed by side bending. Therefore, it is also known as upstretched arm posture. Here the easy steps of doing Hastottasana have been described. The asana has many health benefits from toes and head. However, it is also associated with some precautions which should be taken care of while practicing the pose. Then how to do Hastottasana step by step? We can say here procedure. The 5 simple and easy ways of doing this yoga pose are given here. Following these techniques, anyone can practice it at home. Anyone can practice it at home. Step number 1, stand in Tadasana. I have sent you video on Tadasana. Step 2, inhale and raise arms over the head. Interlock the fingers. Step number 3, exhaling, bend to left side from the waist. Then exhaling, bend to left side from the waist. It's done. Step number 4, maintain the position as long as you can. Come back to Tadasana. Step number 5, do this 2 to 3 times or as per your convenience. Then procedure, I am again repeating here. To perform Hastottasana, you should follow the steps. Stand erect on the ground with both feet together. Inhale slowly and raise both arms over the head. With palms facing up, interlock your fingers. Exhale and bend from the waist towards the right side. Maintain this position comfortably for 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale and come to the center. Repeat it from left side as well. Then there are here 10 best health benefits of Hastottasana. Yoga, here yoga for height. This is one of the effective yoga poses to increase height, as it gives suitable stretch from toes to fingers. Therefore, it should be practiced by those who are desire to increase height. Back pain, it gives appropriate stretch to the muscles, especially the finer muscle of the back. The regular practice of this yoga is good to overcome back pain also. Then spinal health, it is beneficial for spinal health after focusing on the alignment of the body and spine. It helps to improve the curvature of the spine. Then spinal health, it is beneficial for spinal health after focusing on the alignment of the body and spine. It helps to improve the curvature of the spine. It is already told to you. Number 4 is weight loss. It is also known as yoga for waist slim yoga to remove fats from hips and buttocks due to adequate stretch in these regions. Number 5, asthma control. It provides stretch to the chest region, thus helps to increase the intake capacity of the lungs. All these ensure the betterment of lung health and give relief from asthma too. Then number 6, constipation relief. It ensures proper movement to the alimentary canal, especially the stomach, intestine and other organs. 8, nervous health. Practicing the yoga pose on regular basis will facilitate stretching from toes to fingers. It is maintained with breathing, can show its impact upon the efficiency of nerves. Then strengthening of legs. The asana is good for the health of toes, feet, ankles, knees, buttocks, etc. Then Shatika, if it is practiced under the supervision of a yoga expert, here Shatika pain can be reduced drastically. So these all are benefits of Hastottasana. Then while doing any asana, there are also some precautions. So there are also precautions for Hastottasana. Here one should bend from the waist only, stretch the arms up as much as possible. One should not bend forward. Okay. So some of the contraindications of Hastottasana are being given below. Here, pregnancy, the asana should be avoided during pregnancy. Legs pain, the patient suffering from leg pain should skip performing the yoga prep pose. Then dizziness, in case of dizziness, it should not be performed. Then varicose vein, a person suffering from varicose veins should take the help of a yoga expert. Headache, don't perform during headache. This asana should not be performed during headache. You should avoid this asana when you are facing headache problem. It is already told to you. Then Hastottasana, beginner's step. So I have told you about the contraindications ki during hernia, abdominal inflammation, this asana should be avoided. Avoid this asana if you are suffering from severe back, neck and shoulder pain. Okay. So now Hastottasana, beginners up. Now it's an easy and simple yogasana to practice. However, to perfection in the yoga pose, it requires practice and concentration. Initially, it is not easy to stand erect with feet together. Therefore, here has distance between your feet and gradually minimizes the distance. Those who practice it for the first time can take the support of the wall. Do it for a few seconds and gradually increases the duration of the pose. Preparatory pose of Hastottasana yoga should be done before Hastottasana. So that is Tadasana, Stikasana and Katichakrasana, Trikonasana. These are the preparatory poses of Hastottasana. Then allow here a pose of Hastottasana. It should be done after Hastottasana, that is Padmasana, Viprit Karni, then Padhastasana, Padasthasana and Sarvangasana, then Shirshasana. These here follow pose of Hastottasana. This should be done after Hastottasana. Okay. So thank you for watching and listening, and stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care. Thank you. God bless all of us. Thank you.